In today's fast-paced world, the quest for efficiency and wellness often feels like a balancing act on a tightrope. Thankfully, the emergence of AI tools has ushered in a new era where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing both our productivity and mental well-being. Imagine starting your day with an AI assistant that tailors your schedule based on your preferences and priorities. This revolutionary tool analyzes your calendar, suggesting the most productive times for focused work and even embedding reminders to take short breaks for mindfulness. As you dive into your workload, the AI helps streamline repetitive tasks, allowing you to direct your energy toward projects that truly ignite your passion. When the hustle becomes overwhelming, several AI-powered meditation apps come to the rescue. These tools guide you through personalized meditation sessions that cater to your mood and mental state. Picture yourself taking a moment with soothing visuals and calming sounds that transport you to a serene landscape, replacing stress with tranquility. With a few clicks, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and relaxation, rejuvenating your mind amidst the chaos. Moreover, there are AI-driven wellness planners and journaling apps that encourage self-reflection and help you track your mood. Visualize journaling on your smartphone, where AI analyzes your entries, providing meaningful insights into your emotional patterns. It empowers you to understand your moods better, prompting you to take action in preserving your mental health. Have you ever wondered how your daily interactions and habits contribute to your overall wellness? This technology illuminates that path for you. Finally, as you strive for balance, remember the essential role of sleep. Enter AI sleep aids that monitor your sleep patterns and suggest bespoke actions to enhance your rest. Imagine waking up fully refreshed, with suggestions tailored to improve your nighttime routine based on your unique sleep data. The integration of these AI tools into your life fosters a harmonious blend of productivity and mental wellness. The future shines bright as these innovations pave a seamless path where technology serves as a supportive partner, cultivatively enhancing your life without overwhelming it. Embrace the possibilities and watch how not only your productivity flourishes, but your overall sense of well-being reaches new zeniths. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel Self-Care Rewards for more tips and tricks on the next video.